The application process for the DBA begins with you looking online to check that you fit the criteria and fit the qualifications that we're looking for. The application process for the DBA is designed to be really supportive. What we would ask you to do is that if you're in any doubt, then please just get in contact with us and you can speak to me as Programme Director or a senior member of the team who can discuss with you your application. The process itself would involve filling out a postgraduate research form online, as well as providing us with a detailed CV so that we can get a clear idea of your level of experience. We'd also need you to produce an outline research proposal, which will give us a sense of the area that you want to research so that we can allocate supervisors accordingly and get an understanding of where you'll get the data and how you'll get the data to undertake your research. The application process also contains an interview, so we would seek to interview every applicant as part of that. But as I said at the beginning, the key thing is really, if you're in any doubt, just to get in touch with us and then we can discuss it.